Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I got another witchy unboxing for you. This is from Sacred Space Crate. And it came in this big, very long box. I know there was a little delay on it, but I understand. There's a delay on mine as well. Sometimes we can't get things in time. But this is the first time I've ever gotten a long box like this, so I'm dying to know why we needed such a long box. It says Voices of Samhain. Let me see if I can even get this. And we're not going to be able to get this in the camera. But this is what it looks like. All right. Oh, and it does. I wanted to show you the stick. Oh, I must have did that when I opened it. I hope I didn't rip everything else. I kind of ripped it. But it says Voices of Samhain is her theme, so I'll put this on the side for last. And we get our calendar. Today is the 16th? No, 15th. And we have our beautiful... Oh, it's like a fairy Samhain. Cool. Our calendar. In the back, it always has the zodiac. I gotta show you this cute little sticker. It says, Unleash Your Magic. Happy Samhain. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have nowhere like to put this, so. Okay. Huge. That's what I smell. Figured. Right on top, we have incense, and it says mediumship incense. It smells so good. Mediumship. Making sure it's in there good. Incense. Looks like we have a cedar smudge. Let's see if I can get that in there at least. Lots of noodles. Alright, so we have Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, Remembrance and Protection Candle. That is pretty on top. And let's see what the inside looks like. Ooh, how cute. Smells good. I'm not sure. What is that? Sage? I don't know. I think I smell sage. Got cute little skulls in there. Looks like some tourmaline or obsidian. Cool. We got our cute little herb jar. And our herb jar is blue vervain. Hoping you guys are getting good camera action on this. There we go. Blue vervain. And we have, looks like our oil. Ooh, sacred oil. Anointing and consecration. It's very thick. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very thick. It's black too. I wonder what's in there. Pretty cool looking. Okay. Anything else over here? Looks like we're digging for a surprise. We got red clover. Our salve this month is made with rose petals, beeswax, fenip, and sunflower, and red clover. Our salve. I always like to see the color. We got a black sachet here. And we have a 4mm bracelet. And this one is black labradorite. Black labradorite. So we got black lab. Is that it? There's a big item in here. No idea what it could be. Oh my God, I think I know what this is. I have this at the store. That's the item for Samhain? It is. I think that's all that's in here. Yep. Okay. All right, what's... I knew what these are. These are... I thought it was like a rainmaker, but... Yes, it's a triple moon, and it's got feathers, and more feathers. I forget what they call this. For some reason, I forget what they call this. It doesn't shake and rattle like a rainmaker. But I forget what they said they crafted it for. Or maybe, I'm sure it says in the paperwork. But yes, we have these at the shop. I just didn't think this would be the main item for Samhain. I was a little shocked, that's all. All right, let's see. Voices of Samhain. As Samhain season approaches... Oh, yeah, they call it a talking stick. Duh, sorry. So, a talking stick is kind of like a Native American kind of thing, I believe. It goes back to where this is used, you pass it to somebody, and it's their turn to talk or tell a story. And no one else talks while someone else has the stick in their hand. So... you pass it on to somebody else. So if like you're in a circle and you guys are having a discussion, you wouldn't be able to talk unless you had the talking stick in your hand, and you pass it to somebody else. Usually during circles or drum circles, things like that nature. So I've always wanted to share this magical item with you. The talking stick is one of my all-time favorite magical items. I was so excited when I saw this and saw this one with the impeccable craftsmanship. This talking stick is from Bali, Indonesia. The talking stick is used in native traditions during any ritual. The person holding the talking stick is the only person that is allowed to speak. The talking stick is the voice. In native magic, we use a talking stick in our rituals and paranormal communication. The talking stick is held while communicating communicating with your ancestors. Oh, okay. That part I wasn't sure of. So that's, I get why that's for the Samhain. Gotcha. And in your place of talking stick, you can put it, and as you place the talking stick in front of their photo, it means you are now listening to their messages. This Octomantine is use this form of communication as the veil is at its thinnest. The handles are made from bamboo. The triple moon from wood. 4 feathers represent the communication between earth and heaven and other dimensions in native cultures. Birds are highly revered because of their closeness to the grandfather creator in heavens. Their feathers possess the spirit qualities of the bird to be the breath of life, as well as the connection us to the heavens above and Mother Earth below. The triple moon represents the power of 3, maiden, mother, and crone, and the power of 3 is the goddess within yourself. All right. So that is, I guess, a pretty cool thing to use to aid an ancestor talking. I'm going to try that as a form of communication. I think that's a great idea. All right. And then it says the sacred oil in black obsidian roller. Sacred oils dates back to BC. Sacred oils are made from cold pressed olive oil. Olive oil has long been sacred. Over the years, olive oil has been used to symbolize wisdom, fertility, power, and purity. Frankincense and myrrh is infused in the oil for 40 days. Myrrh was used as ancient Israelite temple worship as an ingredient in the holy anointing oil for consecrating priests and kings. We use it today to consecrate our magical items and for purification. Frankincense is an expensive resin that has historically been presented to kings and gods. Frankincense has long been used as anointing and consecration oil, as it is sacred resin that purifies and drives out evil. So, then the oil was poured over black obsidian, obviously for protection and getting rid of negative energies. Okay, so that's about that idea. The Day of the Dead candle. What's in this guy? It gives you information about the Day of the Dead if you're not familiar with it. The colors of the skulls it gives you. There's a prayer she gives you in here as well. Unfortunately, mine's red, but there's a prayer in there. But I don't see where it says what it's made with. Okay, it's in the intention of, candle was hand poured and curated by me with the intentions of safely bringing the spirits of loved ones to your home, but also offering protection and security of your home. The soy wax was cooked with rosemary and white sage leaves, scented with rosemary essential oil, and adorned with black obsidian sugar skulls. So that is that. Then the blue vervain herb, including the ability to cleanse stagnant energy, cleanses the aura and participants, can open psychic channels, and protects the practitioner from against evil influences, mental attacks, and manipulative entities. And then, of course, the salve. Rosemary being protective, cleansing, is good for Samhain. Of course, it's banishing too, so it's good for protection spells. Burn this bundle. Oh, sorry. I'm reading the wrong thing. It's not that. It's this. Rosemary smoke bundle. Wow. Obviously, burn this on Samhain when you're honoring your ancestors. This bundle is good to cleanse your home, sacred space, and also provides protection. I don't know where I got that from. Cat's Eye Crystal. Cat's Eye Crystal. I don't have that. Unless it's still in the box. Let me double check. Alright. The labradorite bracelet. Obviously is good for you opening your third eye. Grounding. Intuition. Psychic gifts. Alright, let me see if there's a crystal in here that I missed. It is a big box. Okay. I'm digging. No, I don't think I got a cat's eye crystal. Oh, I did. Guys, gotta dig deep. Okay. See, without the paperwork, I probably would have thrown that out. And that would have been horrible. Alright, so our cat's eye crystal. I love cat's eye. It's very pretty. It's a gray one here. Kind of looks like a labradorite here. Alright, cat's eye crystal. Cat's eye stone is also prized for its strong metaphysical powers and properties. It wards off evil and acts like a talisman of protection against unseen danger. Also can bring wealth and prosperity. Very cool. Then the labradorite bracelet we already mentioned. Then we gotta go over... We got medium ship incense, obviously. Oh, it's made with clary sage for its magical properties and opening the third eye and relaxing your mind. These are perfect to burn during your mediumship rituals or during the Samhain season. And then the red clover salve is good for eczema, psoriasis, or dry chapped lips. Sorry, guys. And all calendar. So we at least get 2 weeks left on here. So the last quarter will be on Monday. And then we will have the new moon on the 25th. Exciting. So what do you think, guys, of Sacred Spaces Voices of Samhain box? I think it's a good box. I like that it had something different that I didn't even know that, could be used for that particular part. I knew about the Native American, but I didn't think about for, speaking with ancestors. So that's something cool. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching.